In a small, cozy house in Hogwarts, lived Neville Longbottom. Every day, Neville would tiptoe through the halls, carrying a watering can and a twinkle in his eyes. He had a secret, a magical garden hidden behind a bush. A garden full of magical plants, each with a special glow. Cornish pixies loved the garden, and fairies too. They danced around, creating a magical scene to view. One day, Neville found a tiny seed, hidden in his books. He carefully planted it in the garden, with a twitch of his broom. The next day, a sprout had grown, reaching up to the sky. A bright, shining plant, with a radiant golden eye. "I've never seen a plant like this before," excitedly whispered Neville, to himself, of course. He decided to name it Glitter Gold, a name that was as precious as the plant's worth. Days passed, and Glitter Gold grew. Bigger and brighter, it was a sight to view. Neville took care of it, with love and care. And the plant seemed to know that it was very rare. One night, as the moon was high, a group of dark wizards came to spy. They had heard of Glitter Gold, and they sought its power to control the magical world and bring about a sour. But Neville, with his heart full of might, protected his plant with every ounce of his might. He cast spells and fought the evil wizards, defending Glitter Gold from their vicious fists. In the end, Neville and Glitter Gold stood tall and proud, winning the battle and sending the wizards out loud. Neville was hailed a hero, his courage was clear, for standing up and protecting his dear. From that day forward, Neville's garden was a beacon of light, a sanctuary for magical creatures, living day and night. And Neville, with a smile on his face, knew that he had won a battle of courage, and a battle that was fun. So, every night, before sleeping tight, remember Neville and his magical sight. For courage, love, and a little bit of might can help us all in the darkest night.